Okay, people have been asking for three major things: more space, more privacy, and still being close to the action.
This Auburn home covers all three, and with the opportunity to create your own private oasis.
It's true. It's definitely a unique property, and it's definitely giving that private oasis vibe.
Since we've never featured Auburn, Washington on our channel before, we're gonna break down why people are moving here so you can decide if Auburn, Washington is right for you.
And maybe you think you know Auburn already. Well, this property might just change your mind.
Welcome to this beautiful Spanish colonial home here in Auburn, Washington. This house is 6,360 square feet and features 3-bedroom and 3 3/4 bath, and is currently listed at $1.75 million. Let's take a look at what that gets you here in Auburn, Washington. By the way, did I mention this home holds tons of little hidden secrets and treasures that you're going to love, so make sure you're sticking around to the end. Not to mention, this home sits on 5 acres. 5 acres, and you're close to everything. So as you see, when we come in, you have a beautiful foyer and a beautiful sitting area for formal dinners if that's what you want to do. This home features an office and additional space on this main level that you can use for whatever you want, say a craft room, things like that. It has a very updated kitchen, as you can see. You have marble countertops, all LG appliances, and this island is massive. Can you tell? Massive. It's a pretty big island. Great for baking, cooking, hosting dinner parties. It's pretty amazing. Stainless steel appliances throughout. Beautiful newer cabinets. You have lots of storage in this home. So as you can see, there's plenty of cabinet space, even in the island as well. You have tons of space for all your things. Also, it is an eat-in kitchen, so you can sit here for normal dining, or if you choose, you can sit out there. Now let's go out this way, follow me, and we're gonna check out the main living room. Now, of course, watching my step, you have the main living room, which is a really large space in here. This is your big sitting area right off the kitchen, and it's kind of, even though it's not a total open concept, it still feels like it. You can still interact with somebody in the kitchen because of this big, beautiful archway. They've got beautiful wooden beams throughout the house. It's really gorgeous, and large windows throughout this home. Right off this living area, I have to mention, as you're looking through the big windows over there, right out behind me, you have a beautiful patio area where you can hang out. It has a fire pit and grill and everything out there. It's beautiful. Now, let's go ahead and check out the upstairs. One of the features I really like about this home is just the architecture, and everything within this home is really gorgeous.
These arched doorways are
cool.
so fun.
Their attention to details, the fireplaces and everything is pretty amazing. And when you see these bedrooms upstairs, oh my gosh. Let's go take a look.
Yes.
Now we're up here at the landing. You got this big opening where you can see down below. It's really cool. This area is huge with super high ceilings. It's kind of astounding how big and open this area is. So I'm gonna go straight to the primary bedroom, which is right behind me. Come check out this space. Wow, right? Like, so much space. You have double sinks, you have open air area, still have your high ceilings, you have your bathtub. I know this is where Brandy would be like just chilling, spending all of her time, just hanging out.
Lots of space for all my plants around the tub.
And look how deep. To give you an idea of how big this tub is, how long, I'm 6 foot tall. And generally in most bathtubs, I know I'm not a giant, but in most bathtubs, I can't really soak, but I can actually soak in this tub. It's pretty cool, right? Moving on, if I can get out, because I'm getting old. You do have your toilet and a shower in here as well. And oh, there's the wife. And if you follow me this way, it leads you into a walk-in closet.
You know how much my husband likes walk-in
Yes.
closets.
So my favorite part of this closet is
Look how many
shoe
shoes.
cubbies. I can fit so. I think I might almost be able to fill this thing up. Let's put that. I think so. Okay. So
Let's go
move
check
on.
out that other room.
Let's check out the other room.
Okay, so entrance, we came in over there. The other thing I noticed about this house is how it flows. Really like the flow of this house. So now we're heading over to the second bedroom on this floor, which is pretty massive in and of itself. I mean, you could almost use this as a primary. Where did he go?
You also, the nice thing about this one, yeah, it's big and you can almost use it as a primary, even though you don't have an actual bathroom within here. You do have a massive closet in here as well.
And
just
the
like in
bathroom's right next door.
Right next door, but you also have access from your bedroom to this wraparound deck, which is quite nice. Now, as you continue forward to the to the left, you have your closet. And like I said, another large walk-in closet.
And shoe cubbies.
Love shoe cubbies.
And this is a nice bathroom that's off this one too.
Yes, it's a good size
Another
bathroom.
nice tub space. And then one more bedroom up on this main.
Yes, so we're heading into bedroom number 3 on this upper level. And you have another massive bedroom. All right,
let's go all the way down to the bottom floor.
One of those things we told you you're gonna really love.
It's really cool.
Yes.
I'm really excited.
Would you like a drink, my dear?
Are we in a old school Spanish villa or what?
I think so. So this is a full-on bar downstairs here. When you talk about entertaining, you have the ultimate entertaining area, entertainment space. Pretty cool, right? Entertainer's dream. You've got a large screen here, projector screen. Now this screen and the projector conveys with the home. For those who doesn't not know what convey means, it's sold with the home, so it comes with it. So you're gonna have this projector screen, great place for watching movies. I love movies, so I would spend a lot of time here, or watching the Seahawks beat the 49ers. I would sit here and watch that on this screen, right? Okay, let me explain something about that, because I know it's a little touchy subject right now. But
geez.
I grew up a 49er fan. I still love my 49ers, but I've lived here so long, I have to cheer for my Seahawks now. Just throwing that in there. This is one of the great parts about this home. Great for entertaining, lots of space. This room is massive. Now let me show you another little hidden secret that's going on.
Oh yes,
over
my
here.
favorite
Follow
part.
me this way.
Oh geez.
So it's not the bathroom that's right here. By the way, you have a bathroom down here, but you have
Bum, bum, bum.
sauna. Bing, 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 bing. Sauna with a shower where you can, just relax and get all those toxins out of your body. Pretty awesome. And the smell in here is so cool. I love that smell.
That cedar smell.
Oh, it's lovely.
And then
smell.
when you're done sweating in the sauna, you can take a little shower, refresh before coming out. Let's go through these doors right here and we'll show you what's in the backyard.
So remember I said this home is full of surprises. So you've got this covered area with a fireplace. So you have a fireplace up and downstairs.
So cool.
The hangout where you can be out of the rain, stay warm. But then over here you've got the pool, which is heated. It is heated by propane, by the way. So you've got a heated pool and not to mention a hot tub that is covered so you can be out of the rain, enjoy the hot tub. And in the hot times, you've got a ceiling fan to keep you nice and cool. So like I said, there's a lot of little hidden things about this home, and that is part of it right there. Now, if you follow me this way.
I want to see the ADU.
Oh, there's an ADU. Did I not mention there's an ADU? Now, according to the sellers and our listing agent here, which is our good friend Megan White, who's listing this home, they use this as a rental vacation rental, and they get anywhere in the high time seasons, anywhere between $3,000 and $4,000 a month. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Welcome to the pool house. Loads and loads of space. You've got a dining area, sitting area. It's got its own kitchen as well, with everything you could need in
with
a
the
home.
cute black and white tile.
So if you don't use this as a vacation rental or anything like that, or just a regular pool house, you can also, this could be a multi-generational living situation.
Definitely. And isn't there a space for horses?
Actually, there is. So out back, they haven't used in a long time, hasn't been used. There is a space where you can keep horses. I believe you can keep 3 to 4 horses. And there's also a pad where you can walk your horses around if you want.
How many acres is this?
This is a little over 5 acres. It was interesting driving through here. You drive from basically where you're in town and then feel like you're in the city and it's more like urban, and then all of a sudden it's farmland.
Okay, now let's talk about why we think that you should consider Auburn, Washington. I'll quickly cover the top 7 reasons. First of all, the major reason why people look into this area, housing. Auburn offers great prices and variety. In Auburn, you can get more bang for your buck for sure. In December of 2025, the median home sold price was $642,000, according to the Northwest MLS. And you'll find a really good mix of housing types to appeal to a variety of lifestyles. Number 2, location that works for real life. Auburn is a central hub for getting to major job corridors and neighboring cities with easy access to SR 167 and close to Highway 18. You can get to Seattle in about 35 minutes, Bellevue 40, and Tacoma in about 20 minutes during off-peak times. All right, on to number 3, which ties into number 2. Auburn offers commute options beyond the car with a Sounder commuter rail station, which is a big quality of life win for Seattle Tacoma commuters, because I mean, isn't it better to have someone else drive? I mean, the amount of books I could finish, or, you know, get a head start on my workday on my way to work. Train is pretty speedy and pretty darn convenient. And now number 4. Now this home that we've toured today is up on Leah Hill. This part of Auburn provides a more hillside neighborhood than the lower part of Auburn down in the industrial stretch, which many buyers prefer for that day-to-day feel. When locals think of Auburn, they often just think of that downtown Auburn, which is pretty dense with retail services, restaurants, car sales, and has a more industrial feel. When you get up on the hill, all of a sudden you're surrounded by a mix of friendly neighborhoods and larger lots, many with that mini farm vibe. Super cute. Okay, now number 5, which also kind of ties into number 4. Parks are legit here. Leah Hill Park is a true neighborhood amenity. And then in the larger Auburn area, you've got loads of other options, including Lakeland Hill Park and areas around the Green River. On to number 6. Convenience, entertainment, and shopping. Auburn is locally known for its outlet mall, called the Outlet Collection Seattle. And as I mentioned, the downtown area is a pretty dense mini urban stretch, making errands and shopping simple without a trek across the metro. Plus, you're only 20 to 25 minutes from the South Center Mall area. Okay. Along these lines, entertainment, we've got the White River Amphitheater on the outskirts of Auburn, which is a regional draw for major concerts throughout the year. Now, number 7, education and career pathways. Green River Community College is here in Auburn, which is great for students, continuing ed, and workforce programs. And for the lower grade levels, niche.com gives Auburn School District an overall B grade. Not too shabby. Auburn is a strong option if you're looking for central access, commuter flexibility, parks, and convenient daily living, and depending on the pocket you're looking at, more space and privacy than many of the other Seattle metro cities.
Yes, it does. If you got value out of this video, hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us know we're on the right track and keeps you in the loop as we explore more areas here in the Seattle metro area.
And remember, if you're looking to make a move to or within Western Washington, whether it's next month or next year, we're here to do the legwork, guide you every step of the way, and make your move as easy as possible. All our contact info is right below, so don't hesitate to reach out. And until next time, explore, dream, and discover the best places to call home.
Hit me.